Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where it turns out the Aztec Empire, who are slaving despots and horrifying, they actually like me. I don't think I noticed this before. They like me. Xenophile, why Spiritualist, mutual rivals. We have mutual rivals? Who are we rivals? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's kind of amazing. Anyway, they're at war with Finland, which scares me. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Their fleet power is equivalent, so that's something. Hey, Finland, how's your fleet power? Equivalent. Okay, so Finland is holding their own so far. Yeah, I just noticed that we have or not just noticed, but I haven't really been thinking about it that much. We have a mandate that I'm not sure we're gonna hit. 2235. Oh yeah, we're not gonna get that. The mandate is for orbital research, and it's just not going to happen. Sorry guys. So we are going to expand up into this area. We'll be sending a colony ship out here before too long. So we're going to just block off this entire thing. In fact, we're going to basically get like a fin going all the way out to the edge of the galaxy. In the last episode, we came dangerously close to getting an alliance with the Big Blue Blob. And yeah, it will happen. Embassy is at plus 91. In 9 months, we should be able to click this button. It'll be wonderful. And one thing I noticed is that the Teutonic Order have what, 1, 2, 3 Betharian stone, which is really, really valuable. They're huge. They're gargantuan. And you know what they say, if you can't beat them and steal their Betharian stone, then join them and have them on your side as an ally. That's how that saying goes, right? Anyway, let me check out just real quick. I should have done this earlier, but that's okay. Okay, good. They do, in fact, our sector actually does, in fact, have a mineral stockpile. And at some point, they will, in fact, have an energy credit stockpile once they can figure out what the heck they're going to do. I don't know. I don't know how to treat these people. You know what? I'm not going to take any of your anything. Just build up, okay? Just build up. Silly people. So, yeah, let's continue on, shall we?
Debris analyzed.
I'm not even sure I should be doing debris anymore. Yeah, just don't bother with debris anymore, okay? Is that what you're doing next? Yeah, it's debris. Oh, fine, just do it.
Incoming
I don't feel like queuing it all up. Yes! The galaxy is dark and full of terrors, Venetian. Join the favorable alliance. In Alliance for Mutual Protection, Alliance members Big Blue Blob and Teutonic Order. I agree. Yes! We are in the favorable alliance. Hey guys. You want to join the alliance? And the Big Blue Blob and the Teutonic Order both vote yes. Okay, the Iroquois Consciousness are totally joining. They are in. Invite to alliance. Confirm. Let's move forward, and here we go. Oh yeah, look at this. I wish there were a diplomatic map mode. Look at this! Oh, so good. Oh, so good. At some point, there will be a federation. I will federation up so hard because you can win as a federation as long as, I mean, look who we have already. Like, we got the Teutonic Order, we got the Big Blue Blob. Like, we're gonna just cover this area. Actually, we're gonna cover this entire area here just by like colonizing, I think. Although Space Poland's in the way. That's okay. We'll take Space Poland. It's fine. Also, we just opened up a few. Okay, so here are a few more of the folks that I threw in to this little game. So we have the British Republic. They're an indirect democracy of Federation builders. Interesting. Interesting. I wonder if they'll join our alliance. Well, I'm going to yank the embassy from the BBB. They don't need it. Actually, who really doesn't need it? Who do we have? Contacts. Serene Republic of Venice has embassies with... Okay, we don't need the Iroquois anymore. We don't need the embassy with them anymore. Okay, recall embassy. Was it something I said? Not really. We just don't need it anymore. British Republic? What do you say? Let's have an embassy. Why don't you start liking us, right? Mine is 65. Neutral attitude. I'm guessing they'll pick them up. Okay, Papal States. What do you got? The Papal States are a theocratic oligarchy of evangelizing zealots. Oh, hey, real quick. In case you want to pause and stuff, here is what I had to say about the British Empire. And now the British Republic. I forgot about that. So there's that, if you want to pause and take a look. Papal States. Here's what I had to say about them. They are, as I said, evangelizing zealots. Okay, theocratic oligarchy. Okay. The day when judgment will be passed on you grows ever closer. What? Oh yeah, man. Minus 100. Evangelizing zealots. I thought these guys were evangelizing zealots too. Were they not? Yeah, they were. Somehow, Castile likes us a whole lot more than Papal States do. I wonder what the deal is. I wonder what that modifier is. Okay. Individualist rabble, yeah, they don't like us. They are... Okay, they have embassy with some folks. Here's Ulm. There's the little story that I gave for them. Oh, they're a moral democracy federation builders. Hang on, invite to alliance. Would they do it? Probably not. Let's establish an embassy with them. Big blue blob. If we can just ally our way to, you know, all of this, that would be amazing. Yeah, I will in fact recall embassy. Don't worry. Don't worry, it'll be back. Actually, you know who I should do it with is Space Poland. You know what? Just kidding. Here, I'll establish you an embassy. Yeah. Space Poland, we're probably just going to take you over. Recall embassy. And... there we go. They like us by 27. It's not bad. It's not bad. They will never join our alliance. Yeah, the Teutonic Order votes no. They won't do it. Okay. Ulm? What do you say? Man, if we could get Ulm, let's establish an embassy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the Hanseatic League. What do we got? They are ruthless capitalists, plutocratic oligarchy. This is what I had to say about them. And they are +5. Oh, they're at war with someone, with an unified empire. Okay, and the Salish peoples. And this is what I had to say about them. Basically, I got kind of like, this was the last one that I did, and I was kind of tired, and I was like, I'll just read it. I'll be honest, I needed another fanatic pacifist, and I came from Salish country, like personally in real life. I'm like a Salish guy. While the Salish people were no strangers to raiding and warfare, they were pretty awesome. And I wanted an excuse to use the kick-ass four-eyed hornbird thing portrait. I really like that portrait. I think it works. So they're spiritual seekers. Venetian, Salish. We are all pieces of a puzzle. The puzzle that calls the greatest minds among us all to solve it. Oh, you know what? I would totally establish an embassy with you. They're at -69 to be buddies. We could fix that. It's not going to be anytime soon because we need all of our embassies where they are. But so, where are our embassies again? Please remind me because I'm having trouble remembering. British Republic, Big Blue Blob, Ulm, and Teutonic Order. We're going to keep these two for now. Keep the one with Ulm until we hit 100, which is going to be in like 5 months. Yeah, no. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, so good. So we'll just nail down this area up here. Is what we'll do. We're going to form an alliance, or we're going to form an
Situation log updated.
We're going to I didn't realize we'd actually lost a Corvette or two, so we're going to throw a couple more Corvettes in. Or one Corvette. Let's throw one Corvette in. How's that sound? 3 of the raiders. Yeah, okay, so we got some torpedo boats and some laser boats. I don't know who the Daleth aliens are, but we're going to let them talk to us. What do you got? Construction ship. we are out of minerals. I want to build more stuff. Hang on. When's the next election cycle start? Huh. Not very long. Trying to decide, maybe the construction ship is just going to hang out for a bit. That's what's going to happen. Because with this new expansion out here, we can actually build a bunch of stations. Because I bet you we get like a space miner or like a research person. And if we do, then that'll be fine. Oh man. You know what I want to do? I want to go to war with someone. We got this great little alliance going.
Analyzed.
Let's just kick some tail, huh? Let's take some Republic of Tendor business out.
Complete. Research complete.
I mean, they're inferior. Might as well do it, right? Construction complete. Murano has finished. Oh yeah, our new Corvette. Okay. Yes! Destroyers, Spaceport level 3. Excellent. Let's get... Ooh, nuclear missiles? Or armored torpedo. Well, nuclear missiles is quick. So we'll do that. 10 months, yeah. We'll zip through that. Construction finished. Excellent. Okay, good.
System survey complete.
What do you got? Oh, Rivak? How is it? Oh. Oh yeah, this area over here. Okay, go like survey that. How's that sound? This guy, I'm just trying to get this guy to survey stuff. Hang on. That's fine. Okay. Just jump out. Just jump out of that too. Ooh. Wow, it's hostiles all the way. There we go. 3 hostiles in a row. Fun times. Hang on. What do we got? Honfilier Grand Duchy has declared the Aztec Empire their rival. Interesting. Okay. So we're just gonna fail this mandate. We're just gonna fail it, and we'll see what the next mandate is and go for it. Alien specimen procurement. We have none. We're working on one though. Okay, cool. Roberto Arrizzo has been elected as president of the Serene Republic of Venice. What? No! No! Oh, so the problem with this is the following. Okay. It means that one of our science ships no longer has a frickin' scientist on it. Busy leading society research, engineering research, Calliope. I thought I renamed that. Science ship? Yeah, you're the Galilei. Yeah. Science ship? You're the Cassini. Yeah. Guess we'll pick this guy just because... Well, no. Let's recruit someone. It's careful. Anomaly risk fail minus 10%. Not bad. Yeah, we got the influence. Let's do it. Alright. Giovanni Priuli. Why don't you... Oh, man. That was our level 5... That was our level 5 survey, dude. He's gone now. Like, well, he's leading the stupid presidency. Okay, well, what does he have going for him? Architectural sense. So building cost is minus 15%. That's actually really good. And edict cost and edict duration are not bad. Ooh, that could be okay. We can go with that. Now, what are we doing? Situation log. There it is. There it is. Minor mandate. Okay, we can do that. So we're going to... Yeah, build some mining stations. That's fine. Totally do that. What is this? It's continental world. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. There's 2 Arctic worlds in here. What? 14 and 21. Wow. Not bad. I wonder if we can get some Arctic folks in. I think the Teutonics are... No, you're Tundra. We could probably get some Arctic folks in. Our president's reign has come to an end. Yeah, you think? Because he was frickin' like 93 when you voted him in. You morons. So we did not finish the minor mandate, as you might have guessed, because he was only in power for like 6 days or something. So in 3 months we will have a new president, and we'll know what the heck to do with this stupid dude. Okay. Ooh, the Iroquois are expanding over here. Did they actually settle?
Anomaly found.
Yeah, they settled. Okay. Good deal. Good work. What is this? Hang on. Must be continental? Yeah. Alliance invitation. Ooh! Ulm joined the... Oh, they joined their own. Oh. Ulm? We have to go kill Ulm? No! I wanted Ulm on my side. Aww. That's no fun. Oh well. Hey, now that this thing looks the way I want it to, the favorable alliance, let's be honest, I just allied with the big blue blob and like the biggest name on the map that I can find. Let's call this what it really is. There we go. In fact, I'm gonna screenshot that business. Yeah, I'm gonna screenshot that business. F12. There we go. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Are they attacking the crystalline entity? I think they are. I think they are. I think the BBB is going after it. I don't know why they're doing it with such tiny little fleets. What is this? 75 fleet power and you're going after this? That's a bad idea. I don't know if you noticed. That's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. Don't do that.
Situation log updated.
Silvestro Tribuno. Okay, what the heck is our mandate now? Orbital research. Finally. Okay, so what does that mean for... Okay, are our scientists good? Okay. Who is he? Okay. Frontier Spirit. Colony ship build cost, colony development speed. Oh, that's really good. Actually, we could do that. Spaceport build cost and spaceport module cost. We can deal with that too. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. That's fine. That's good to know. That is good to know. Did I not mine that up? I have not mined that up. Oh man. Lazy construction ship. Lazy. Lazy construction ship is lazy. Okay, we're gonna have to do a lot of stuff. First off, you're building a frontier outpost. You're nearly done. We're gonna build a bunch of research stations because we have plenty of those to do. Construction ship. First off, oh, also, how old are you? You are 47. Okay, good. Sylvester Tribuno. Leaders. Where did you come from? I'm just worried that they, like, stole something. Like, they stole a, someone who was doing a different job, you know? But I can't find anything, so... Okay. Orbital research, let's do it. Hey there, Forlanini. I don't remember who Forlanini is, but he's an Italian engineer of some kind. Build a research station. Please, and thank you. Yeah, our five-star researcher dude died, which, I mean, he was gonna happen anyway, but the last 4 months of his life were spent at in the president's office, which, I mean, it's kind of nice. It's a, whatever, it's a, what's it called? What's that called? It's a promotion and stuff, right? But he was meant to die out on the rim, you know, out among the stars and the crazy stuff that's going on in this galaxy, not in some office in the middle of Venice. That's why he died. You know, he became president and was just like, oh, this sucks so bad. For some reason, someone has towed an asteroid into a stable orbit around Shaula 5A. The massive engine sections and braking thrusters can still be found on the surface. Those are wrong. I think that's the wrong use of the word braking. I think it's B-R-A-K-I-N-G. But anyway, although they have long since been rendered inoperable. Whoever did this also mined the asteroid for minerals, but these operations were seemingly abandoned shortly after they began. Okay, so that gets +3 stuff. Okay, cool. Research, physics, or engineering research. Let me take a look at something here. Corvette assembly yards? I'll take that. Here in Murano. And then you know what we're gonna do? The last thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna play with I'm gonna go new design, destroyer. We're gonna go all small, the Hope Breaker. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that business. Part of me wants to do a different set of weapons and stuff, and I mean just to have different looking ships because they're fun. And then all smalls there. Okay, so there is that. Okay, what are we gonna do with the ship? We're gonna do just lots of red lasers. I cannot wait to get blue lasers, but I haven't seen them yet. No, I think I saw them once, and for some stupid reason I was like, no, I want some other thing. I don't remember what I wanted, but it was dumb. Don't ever do that. Get a little bit of deflectors, get some nanocomposite armor, because it doesn't cost anything. Or it doesn't do any, get some regenerative hull tissue because reasons. Because it doesn't require any power. That's why. Huh. Let's actually switch these. Fusion reactor. There we go. And then, I don't know, more armor? Okay. Yeah, and this is... Oh yeah, we don't have the new combat computers, do we? Do we? Part of me wants to just do the regular ship-mounted radar system. Oh, chance to hit +2. Never mind. Yeah, let's do... I never read that before. Okay, yeah, let's do it. We're going to name this the Laser Destroyer. Because I just don't care. I just don't. I call it exactly what it is. So, yeah, we're going to do that. Okay, let's build a couple. No, let's not build a couple. Can we build a couple? How expensive are these things? We need more minerals, kids. Like, for reals. Where's a level 3 spaceport? Ew. Okay. We'll get that in a sec. Hang on. What'd you do? Oh, construction ship Branca. Hey! As I hoped. As I hoped. We have Cesar. Excellent. Branca, get me a research station because it'll help with our mandate. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. We're gonna have a little arm just like reaching up. Except we're gonna completely skip bid talks because bid talks is the stupidest place ever.
Incoming transmission.
What do you want? Space Poland would like to give civilian access. Yeah, actually. That'll be just fine. Deal length 15. Okay. That'll be great. We'll go explore through their systems. That's fine. Yeah, let's do that. My timer didn't go off, did it? No, we got just a tidge of time. Okay, let's have time go forward. Oh, yeah. Construction ships, go to town. Just go to frickin' town. Give me... You know what, just do it up. Oh, not enough. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals! You require more minerals. Yeah. Build a research station there. Okay, good. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so good. This little area over here. Now that is worth
System
one, what's it called? 1 influence per month. Okay, we've detected the presence of a primitive alien civilization on Urbatanak. They currently seem to be experiencing the equivalent of a renaissance, having recently left the medieval age behind them. Scientific knowledge is spreading rapidly, and the armies of their petty kingdoms are equipped with crude gunpowder-based projectile weapons. We should consider building an observation post above their world. Where is that? It's right here, right? Urbatanak, yes. What is this? Okay, it's a tundra world. Interesting, and yeah. Let's survey this area, shall we? to make sure that we see if there's anything that we can settle in this area, because, quite frankly, I would love to get a hold of these guys. I've never actually uplifted anyone. So let's survey this area, see if we can expand out into here and see what we can do. Yeah, because I don't necessarily want to put a station out here, because I'm only gaining 2 influence per month. Oh, hey, science ship Galilei. Hey, yeah, survey system. Then survey system. Then survey system. Yes, Galilei, do your job.
Construction complete.
What do you got? Spacecraft of Corfu. Spaceport of Corfu. Corfu. What are you doing? What did I tell you to do? I don't even remember now. Interesting. Okay. Corvette assembly yards. Let's get that level 3. Ugh. In 3 months. Oh, construction ship is lazy. What's more important? You know what's more important? This is more important. Build a mining station here. We'll get that to Betharian stone, and then we'll do some fun stuff. Rivalry. Yes! Okay, the Teutonic Order has declared the Hanfalier Grand Duchy their rival. Which is interesting. They don't even border. Right? No, they don't. Ooh, the Habsburg Confederation. I haven't heard from you yet. They are a peaceful bureaucracy, spiritual seekers. They actually kind of like me. Oh. They would actually join our alliance if we could put it together. Our folks would, like the Teutonic Order and the Big Blue Blob, they would totally go for it, but that's okay. I think I'm okay with the size of the empire that we have right now, or the size of the alliance that we have right now, except maybe the British Republic, they're Federation builders. They should totally be in our little pile here. Come on. Yeah, come on. Imagine that. The Big Blue Blob, the Teutonic Order, and the British Republic, all allied with Venice.
Complete.
Well, and Iroquois. Iroquois need to expand some more. And nuclear missiles. There we go. And I think we'll end on this note. We are not going to do robots because we're spiritualists. We're just not going to do it. Mass drivers. Well, it's short. Ooh. Mass drivers is good, but I think we're going to go mineral processing. And then we're going to call it there. And then I'm going to do some management of my my surfaces, my planet surfaces. Oh yeah, I gotta do that. But I'm going to do that a little bit off camera. I'll just show you what I did. We're going to blow through a little bit of our minerals. We need more minerals. We just need more minerals. It's crazy. Yeah. So we'll pick up some more minerals, and we'll pick up some more other things. And man, yeah, we're going to do all the things. We're going to do all the things. We are in the Unholy Alliance. We're going to try to get the British in the Unholy Alliance. That'd be amazing. And we're going to do that next time. But until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time.